Hey everyone, it's Destiny from the Miracle Millionaire, and today I'm going to show you how to link your CSS document to your HTML document for specifically for a Mac. So what I have open now is just the regular Mac text edit, which is what I use for my coding. So what we're going to do is we're just going to have like a basic site or a basic build going on here. Okay, so this is all we're going to need. I mean, you'll need more than that for an actual document, but this is all we're going to use so I can show you how to link your document. Make sure you go ahead and do this in the head tab of the document, otherwise it will not work. We're going to go ahead and put link, and then we're going to do rel for relationship, and that's going to tell the form what it's linking to, so we're just going to put style sheet here. And then we're going to go ahead and put type, and our type is going to be text CSS right here. And then we're going to do href, and href is telling the computer where this link is. So you want to make sure that you have your link in your same folder. You want to make sure you have your CSS and your HTML document in the same folder so it can find it. And you'll just put the name here. So like if the name of your thing is style sheet 1, or if it could be anything you want, style for website, whatever. Whatever it's named, it's gonna go right here. If you don't keep it in the same folder, the problem is that it'll have trouble finding where it's stored. So let's say you have it saved in a different subfolder, like a CSS folder, then that's going to be CSS for the CSS folder, and then dash style sheet or whatever you have it named .css. So it's just easier to keep it in the same folder. That way you don't have that issue, and all you have to do is type in this CSS. And I know when I started doing this coding, I was losing my mind because no matter how often I typed in this link that everybody told me would link it, mine still wasn't linking. So I'm going to go ahead and fix this problem for y'all right now. Basically what you're going to do, the reason that it's not linking for you is more than likely because you're using the default quotations, which are the curly quotations. And they have to be this straight quotation for the link to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our system preferences. And once we pull that up, we're going to go here to keyboard. Okay, and then we're going to go to text. And right here, this needs to be checked off. Make sure it's checked off, and just for extra whatever, because this is your default right here. They have these curly quotation marks, and that's what your problem is. So you want to go down here and you want to click on these straight quotation marks, and just make sure that this is unchecked, and then you're good to go, and you'll have these regular straight quotation marks, and your link should work perfectly now. I know that was driving me crazy, and it took me days to figure that out. So yeah, just be sure that you have the straight quotation marks. Be sure that your link is spelled correctly right here, because that could have problems with it too. Sometimes even capitalization, if you put it capitalized and it's not capitalized, it won't pick it up. So be sure you do it exactly how it looks. So there you go. Now you have your CSS linked to your HTML. Thank you for watching.